Hello everyone, welcome to YUCa Japanese Cooking. Today I will show you how to make okonomiyaki sauce. And this is a remake version of my first okonomiyaki sauce recipe. It took many years since I filmed the videos. It might be good timing to remake this recipe. Here is Mario, Luigi, and Sui-chan. And then I remember that my cooking class guest said, what is made of okonomiyaki sauce? And the price of the okonomiyaki sauce overseas is a little bit expensive compared to Japan. But you can make okonomiyaki sauce, similar flavor, with using the seasonings you can have at home. So let's make okonomiyaki sauce at your home. And during this video, I'll show some tips and techniques to make easy, delicious, homemade okonomiyaki sauce. So please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started.
Here are the ingredients.
The ingredients to make okonomiyaki sauce is very simple. So we use oyster sauce, ketchup, honey, mirin, soy sauce, oyster sauce. Okay, let's start. We add oyster sauce, then ketchup, soy sauce, then honey, then oyster sauce, and mirin, like that. Now we mix all together. Smells already good, but it's a little bit liquid, so I like to heat this sauce to thicken. So let's turn to medium heat and let's pour all of it. And warm until I see the bubbles coming out. Oh, I can hear that sound. Okay, now low heat. Now it's getting intense. Keep low heat and continue warm it up. If you taste and then you need a more sweet flavor, I recommend to add honey. Smells okonomiyaki sauce in this room. Then I move the okonomiyaki sauce. The okonomiyaki sauce is done! In this time, I want to introduce Osaka-style Okonomiyaki.
Here are the ingredients.
So let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. I put mayonnaise. If you want to know how to make mayonnaise from scratch, please don't forget to check my mayonnaise recipe. The okonomiyaki is also so good. The cabbage and Japanese spring onion is a good balance. And I put the lid. Cabbage and spring onion is well cooked. I can still feel the texture from the cabbage. And tenkasu also adds a good crispiness. Tenkasu is not must. So if you can't find it, no worries. And okonomiyaki sauce has a good flavor. It harmonizes everything. I don't like too heavy and thick okonomiyaki, so my okonomiyaki has more vegetables and less flour. You can also add sliced pork over the okonomiyaki and flip. But I made a very simple one today. And I will eat everything. Okay, I have to stop. ごちそうさまでした。So how was the recipe today? I hope you feel it's easy to make okonomiyaki sauce at home. So, do you remember the tip? To make okonomiyaki sauce, you just need 4 ingredients, basically. Worcester sauce, ketchup, honey, and soy sauce. And if you add more thick and umami flavor, please add oyster sauce and mirin. And tip, I recommend to heat the okonomiyaki sauce at the very end until you see the bubbles come out, so you can make very starchy and intense flavor. And tip, to make my style okonomiyaki, I recommend to use a lot of vegetables and less flour. To make one pancake, the ratio of vegetables, flour, and water is 2:1:1, and egg. And tip, I recommend to put the lid and a little bit steam for 1 minute until it gets brown and crispy on the bottom. And after flipping, stir fry with that lid for 30 seconds. So those are the tips. So thank you for watching, everyone. When you have a question, please always ask me. I'm looking forward to cooking with you online or in-person class. When you come to Japan, let's make Hiroshima-style okonomiyaki together. So thank you for watching, everyone. See you next time. Sleeping. Bye.